Radicondoli, this prestigious rural estate unfolds in an aerial panorama across 70 hectares of private agricultural land and 2 stone farmhouses, positioned in the upper Val de Cecina. The scenic view sweeps over the uncontaminated Sienese countryside, stretching toward the medieval hamlet of Belforte, in absolute quiet and total privacy, framed by rolling hills. The countryside extends through wooded hills and open fields, preserving the authentic character of the upper Val de Cecina and Val d'Elsa with natural trails. The landscape embraces a hilltop position with a spectacular 360-degree outlook over the surrounding territory, held by the Cornocchia Nature Reserve and distant peaks. The exterior rests in a dominant hillside setting, immersed in a natural context of exceptional charm and wild beauty, 5 kilometers from Radicondoli village. The facade gathers exposed stone walls and traditional Tuscan architecture, awaiting careful restoration across 30 rooms distributed over 2 levels with solid masonry. The building front preserves the rustic lines of the original farmhouses, each constructed with local materials and solid masonry, retaining structural integrity. The rustic farmhouse welcomes multiple outbuildings to be recovered, surrounded by a flat courtyard ideal for a private garden and panoramic pool with southern exposure. The front elevation watches over the valley below with generous openings that once holds the rhythms of agricultural life and seasonal harvests. The outer elevation extends along the southern exposure, capturing sunlight throughout the day and sheltering the main living quarters with thick stone walls. The side elevation connects the 2 former stone farmhouses, each retaining original architectural details and structural integrity across multiple levels. The front prospect holds the entrance courtyard, offering ample space for the creation of a solarium area and outdoor entertaining zones with natural stone paving. The front rises against the sky, its weathered stone bearing witness to centuries of Tuscan farming tradition and agricultural heritage. The front overlooks the private land, with views that reach the historic village of Radicondoli, 5 kilometers away, and the surrounding valleys. The front shelters the northern wing, where additional outbuildings await transformation into guest accommodations or equestrian facilities with modern amenities. The front gathers the western elevation, bathed in golden afternoon light, and looks onto the distant silhouette of San Galgano Abbey on the horizon. The front opens onto along the hillside, its proportions the generous scale of the estate and its agricultural heritage across 2 historic farmhouses. The front anchors the property to the land, with thick walls and deep-set windows that ensure thermal mass and energy efficiency for sustainable living. The front completes the architectural ensemble, ready for a luxury hotel project or a charming relais focused on wellness and sustainability with geothermal potential. The view faces the pristine landscape, where hiking trails wind through the woods and geothermal springs symbolize the ecological vocation of Siena province. The living spaces await reimagination across 6 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with a photovoltaic system already in place to support modern comfort and renewable energy.